Hey, it's Becca. I'm going to show you how to link your business page to your personal timeline so that it shows up right here. As you can see on mine, I just put accessory stylist at, and this is my page. So then people can, my personal friends or people that, if I comment somewhere on Facebook and they click on my name, you know, I have a lot of privacy settings on my personal timeline, but one thing that everyone could see is this, and I want them to be able to find me. So let me show you how to set that up for yourself. It's in the About section, actually, and it's under your work. It's under the Work and Education tab. So if you don't have anything set up, you can add a workplace, and your workplace is going to be your business page. So since I already have mine set up, let me just show you what it looks like. So the position, you can call yourself whatever you want. I would encourage you not to put your title. For example, if you're a director or a designer or whatever it is, I would encourage you not to put that position, because a lot of times that's not meaningful to your customers. So you want to tell people what you actually do, in essence. So the name of your company is the name of your business page, and that will automatically link it and I'll show you where it makes it clickable. So the name of your Facebook page right here, a title that you want to give yourself, you know, depending on what your business is. Oh my goodness, that keeps popping up. City and town. Let me shut that off real fast. I'll turn off. Okay. Oh no, sorry. Okay. Okay, so your city and town, and then right here, the description, I just decided to put in my website and then my Facebook group. You don't have to do any of that if you don't want to. And then just fill this part out and then save your changes. You want to set this to public so that no matter who comes to your personal timeline, they are going to be able to click on your business page. So let me show you how that works. Once you save it on your timeline, it's going to show up right here. So whether you're my friend or not, when you come to my page, you can see that I'm accessory stylist at, oh, I wonder what she does. So you can click that and it's going to pop you right over to my business page. Let me show you also, Kelly actually is the one who showed me how to do this years ago. So let's just say that Kelly commented somewhere and I saw her and I liked what she had to say, but I'm not friends with her, for example. If I hover over her name, you'll see right here, see that? Ooh, and that's clickable. And then if I click that, it takes me to her business page, which really is what I would want instead of going and like friending her. So anyway, I just think that's a really cool feature, and you definitely want to set that up so that people can click and find you.